Here's the inverter mounted in the Promaster van, bolted to a side panel secured to the frame of the van. So I'm mounting the inverter on a piece of 3/4 inch plywood that's going to be mounted on the side of the van. And in order to mount this securely, I've decided to use a metal bar underneath on the back side of the 3/4 inch plywood, drilling holes through the metal bar to match the hole pattern in the inverter. And then that plate is going to be on the back with the 5/16 bolts coming through and secured on the top side with a washer and a 5/16 nut. And then the inverter is going to sit on top of that, held down by a washer, a lock washer, and of course the 5/16 nut. So that should give air circulation underneath the inverter and securely mounted to the 3/4 inch plywood. Because this inverter is fairly heavy and it needs to be very secure on this plywood. So with this metal plate behind, bolts going through it, it's going to be pretty solid. And that gives me these mounting studs then to mount the inverter on when I get the board mounted on the van, and these studs will be sticking through, and I'll just be able to mount the inverter on those studs. So that's my mounting method to attach the inverter onto the wall of the Promaster.